2 feet and say everything is wrong and it is a mess.
Atete Benzinge kachiel gi Apollo Mbuki no obedo joloch mich mag riwruok matayo tuke mag motorsport pachoka manaobagi lap ma off-road adventures Karin. Atete noyudo mich mar dereba mar higa bang' bedo kod duoko maber higa mar 2023. Noting'o nying Kenya e tuke mag pinje Afrika manaobagi piny mar Afrika ma milambo kama notieke thuolo mar 3. Apollo Mbuli kamachielo noyudo mich mar Jotugo ma sulwe kidieny mar joma yawuowi bang' rienye tuke mag lig maduong' kidieny mar MX1. Tielo mokwongo mag tukegi higani nobagi alap ma Jamhuri Park buore Nairobi.
One more time to be sure. He needs a photo so they'll not leave. Hip hip. Okay.
Finishing the year pretty strong and you know, enjoying riding. You know, every time I'm on the bike, you know, it's fun. So for me, that's just about it.
I'm happy that all the hard work I've been doing last year has really been shown. Like, I've been awarded for it, so I'm really happy about that.
So what we've realized over the years is that in order for the sport of motorcycling to succeed, there's a lot of support that comes into it, and so that covers the leisure touring, the medical, the women in motorcycling, where we make a conscious effort to involve women in different aspects of motorsport. And it also covers the sustainability area, so what we do with the environment and how we interact with the community.